This is the Roxbury Extending Dining Table, and oh my, how beautiful is this table. It's got a beautiful extension function, but before I show you that, I just want to point out some of the design features because this is a fully customizable table. You can choose from lots of different sizes. They have different leaves inside. You have lots of different colors. It's made in a really beautiful workshop in Europe. It's a family-owned workshop, so we can offer you an awful lot of customizable details. So firstly is the top. This is a solid oak top, but we make this in oak or in solid walnut. And you have different colors to choose from. So from lighter to darker colors and walnut. The base is a black metal frame, and this is a central pedestal, so this will not move when I extend it. And that's important for a few different reasons. Number one, you can put it under a light fixture and it will always stay central. You can also put it on top of a rug because the base will never move. It's only the tabletop that moves. So you choose your sizes of the table, you choose the sizes of your leaves, and then you choose the color, and you can have your own very unique dining table. And the beauty of it is that it's very easy to extend. It's got a really nice profile. There's a bevel here that's very gently rounded, and it kind of sweeps right around the corners. So this is a beautiful rounded corner here. And all you do is pull the skirt underneath. So I'm pulling this bit here, pull it all the way out until it's fully extended. And on this size, I've got 2 leaves inside. So I have 2 50-centimeter leaves. Just pull them towards you and then close up from underneath. How beautiful is that? So easy, and it's very smooth. Your additional seating at either end of the table, and there is a locking mechanism to lock it in place. I'll just show you that one more time. So you fully extend it, then you push the leaf as far as it will go, and then there's a finger grip on this side. You just close it up with your finger grip. It's very smooth, very easy. The beauty of the joinery in this table is visible. When you open it up, you can see all the back of the bracing on the leaves. There's leaf levelers. There's a solid oak frame here. And then this is a German extension mechanism that's using a cable for that reciprocal extension. So the cable inside is what is pushing while you pull. Makes it really, really easy. So beautiful to use. This is a 160-centimeter dining table by 90. But you can make it in bigger sizes, and you can make it in wider sizes here. And you can also alter the size of the leaf inside the table. So this is our new Roxbury Extending Dining Table, which we hope you love as much as we do. It's a really beautiful design.